right. Better be scared. Come here.
Ooh, I like that.
Oh, boy.
Got my nipple all hard.
Jesus Christ.
You gotta do the left one now. She won't be
You
jealous.
won't be doing anything.
Why not?
No.
The left one will get jealous. It's jealous now. This one's all erect and this one's all not. Oh, there it goes. It's not jealous no more. It's connected, bro. See?
No, it's not.
It's connected, bro. I can put my breastplate on.
What's gonna be connected is my fist to your face.
Ooh, don't make promises you can't keep, Uncle Daddy.
I'm sorry, you guys. Verb sometimes. Doesn't know how to play.
Your mic keeps cutting off. I think the battery's dead.
Gee, thanks.
Yeah.
What? Oh, you turn off. I'm loud enough, remember?
Okay.
I have a little girl voice.
What are you trying to say?
That you have a girl voice.
No, I don't.
Really good.
You don't. You gonna take them home and charge them?
What are you saying? I'm too poor to have electricity here or what?
Okay, you can charge them. But you gonna charge them?
We'll see.
God. I'll take them home and charge them.